Hey everyone, I'm Casey with CReeves Makes, and today I'm going to show you how I make custom earrings using hardwood scraps. My wife loves to wear large earrings and had always commented that it would be cool to have wooden ones, so I took some of her favorite shapes and turned them into wooden works of art. I start out with selecting the woods that I want to use and take those to the bandsaw. Then I resaw them into roughly 1/8 of an inch thick strips. Then it's over to the drum sander to run them through several times on both sides. I'm using 220 grit here, and this cleans up the bandsaw marks and gets the faces about ready for finish. Once the pieces have all been sanded, I double stick tape a variety of the wood strips together. I usually go about 4 or 5 layers thick on this. After all the tape and pieces have been put together, I trace out the shapes that I want to use. It's good to use a template or a single sample to get consistent shapes. After all the shapes have been traced, I head back to the bandsaw and cut them out, making sure to stay outside of my line. Once all the shapes have been cut, I head over to my sander to finish contouring and shaping the earrings to the line. At my workbench, I use a putty knife to separate all of the earrings into their piles. After all the earrings have been sorted, I sand them with a foam contour pad at 120 grit. This will smooth out all the contours and edges, giving them a soft and subtle feel. Once all of the sanding is complete, I use a satin spray lacquer to coat the earrings several times. This is a durable finish that will hold up well and is easily touched up if there is ever a need for it. I then drill a 1mm hole in the ends of the earrings, being careful not to push too hard and crack the wood. Now all that is left is adding the hardware. I bought an assortment off of Amazon that came with rubber backers and cardboard placeholders for presentation. It is a perfect beginner kit if you're just getting started. Well, I did over 100 pair in this batch and they look great. I used walnut, bloodwood, padauk, spalted sycamore, ash, and maple, and all of the wood was scraps from my bin. Now it's time to pick out some for gifts and sell the rest to clients. If you like this video, please subscribe and stay tuned for more. I'm Casey with CReeves Makes, and thanks for watching.